Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete draft posts on Instagram. So this works either for iPhone and Android. You want to open up your Instagram, and once you have opened up your Instagram, let's just take a random photo. Then I want to click on the top left on the arrow and then click Save Draft. Now that I have saved this draft, let's go back and go back again to this screen and then click on the bottom left, and here you will see that I have one draft. If I click on that, it's the draft, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're having some issues, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you.